Okay, class. When we want to do inverse Laplace transform involving partial fraction, okay, first you must remember, okay, what kind of your partial fraction. Partial fraction may be okay. Okay, class. When you want to do Laplace transform involved with partial fraction, the first thing you must remember is type of that partial fraction. Okay, partial fraction, maybe you can have a linear factor, repeated linear factor, quadratic factor, repeated quadratic factor, or sometimes you have improper fraction, partial fraction. That is what you need to do is do a long division. So for this one, okay, first you must recognize your type of partial fraction. Okay, this one is proper fraction because numerator, power of numerator is less than power of denominator. When your power of numerator is bigger or same with power of denominator, then that is improper partial fraction. So what you need to do is long division. So this one you don't need to do a long division. Okay, just find out the partial fraction. So first thing what you must do is, okay, inverse Laplace of s minus 2 over s square s minus 1 power of 2. So to okay, so to make the partial fraction, so to solve this partial fraction of this equation, okay, first, okay, separate it because this is repeated linear factor. So your partial fraction should be a over s plus b over s square c s minus 1 and d s minus 1 power of 2. Okay, so you have to find out for a, b, c and d. Okay, what you need to do is, okay, first for s minus 2, what you have is a times s minus 1 power of 2, and for b, s minus 1 power of 2, c s square and s minus 1, and the last one d s square. Okay, so how to find a, b, c and d? Okay, first we do elimination. Okay, so if you have to find a, your s must be equal to 1, so then you got a. Sorry, when your s is equal to 1, then you will get the answer for d. So when s equal to 1, this one is 0 0 0, and you got the value of d. So when s equal to 1, this one becomes 1 minus 2 equal to 0 0 0 and d power of 2. So your d is negative 1. Okay, that is d. So next, the easy, the easiest one is, okay, s equal to 0. Make your s equal to 0. Okay, so this one 0 0 and 0, you got b. So for this part, 0 minus 2 equal to, okay, 0 0 0 0, b negative 1 power of 2, so b is negative 2. Okay, for b. Then for a and d, what you need to do is, okay, you can compare the coefficient of s square maybe, or s2 or s. Okay, first we compare equation of s cube. this part we don't have s cube, so 0. Then this one, a, we got a here, a s cube, and this one we got c here. Okay, so first, for your first equation. Okay, and the next one. Okay, maybe you can compare for power of then s square. Okay, power of a coefficient of s s square. Okay, so for this part you don't have s square. Okay, for this part you will have 2a, I think so, 2a. Okay, so because of this one, when you expand it, okay, as, then s square minus 2s plus 1. Okay, so your coefficient of s square is negative 2a. Okay, the power of the coefficient of s square. Okay, and next the coefficient of s square here for c is, okay, when you do some expansion, what you have is cs cube minus cs square. So what you have is negative c. Next, okay, settle for this equation. Okay, this one, first and 2. Okay, by using substitution or simultaneous equation. Any method you can. So the easy one is maybe you can use simultaneous equation. Okay, so for this part, okay, 0 equal to a plus c, and for the second one, 0 equal to 2. Okay, directly, just directly. So a equal to negative c. Put your equation here, substitute on the second equation. So what you have is 0 equal to negative 2 negative c negative c. So negative 2c and negative positive 2c minus c, you got c, so c equal to 0. Okay, when c equal to 0, a also 0. Okay, oh sorry, okay, sorry. Okay, sorry, I miss s square here. Okay, for s square, what we have is 0 equal to, okay, 0, this one negative 2a, and this one we have s square plus b. Okay, next, this one negative c, and the last one plus d. Okay, I missed these two things. Okay, sorry. Then 0 equal to negative okay, our a just now is, okay, a is negative c. Okay, our a is negative c, then negative c plus b negative 2 negative c plus d negative 1. So what we have here is 2c minus 2 minus c and minus 1. So c is, okay, c is 3. Am I right? C is 3. Okay, next, find a. So when c is 3, a is negative 3. Okay, then put your answer in this equation. Okay, so we can do Laplace inverse Laplace transform. So for a, negative 3 over s. Okay, next for b, we got negative 2 over s square. And for C, what we have is 3 over s minus 1, and the last one negative 1 for D, s minus 1 power of 2. So the answer is your T function is, okay, refer your table. Okay, so for negative 3 over s is, what you have is negative 3 a, this one is negative 3. So for this one minus, okay, sorry, this one is minus, minus, okay, minus 2t I got from the table. Okay, just refer to your Laplace transform table. And for this one is 3 exponent t, and the last one is plus, sorry, negative, okay, negative t exponent t. Okay, then this is the answer.